Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to share YouTube TV with family. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would need to do is click on your profile on the top right of your screen, and then from here, you want to click on settings. And then from here, what you want to do is click on family sharing next. And then from here, you can set up your family sharing right here if you haven't set it up yet. So click on continue right there. And then from here, this would pop up right here. So all you have to do is just wait for it to finish. And then as you can see right here, I can now set up my group right here as a family manager. You can invite up to 5 more people. They must be 13 years or older, and they must have a Gmail or Google account right here in order for them to access this. And family members will see your name, emails, and so on right here. You can click on continue right there, and then you can just send your invitations. All you have to do is click here and provide them their email right here, and then you would be able to add them right here by adding their name or email, or yeah, and that is basically it. And once you have successfully sent it right here, then they would be able to receive it in their email, and all they have to do is click on the link, and then they would be able to go here into the YouTube TV and access this one right here. But in my case, I'll just skip that for now. And once you are done sending your first invitation, it should show up right here in the family sharing. Click on manage right here, and then from here, this would load up into families.google.com, and yeah, you would be prompted here. And then from here, you would be able to see your family group members right here. But as you can see, it's only me for in this case, but you'd be able to send here the invitations and see everything right here. So that is basically it.